bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's a six. The power is extraordinary. Well bowled, that's a jaffa. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Oh, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Oh, that must be out. And yes, he gets his man. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. He didn't get any timing on that one. Wow, that was a really wide throw. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. Outside off, and he's happy to see that through to the keeper. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for four. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Carved away through the gap for four. That is smart batting. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Oh, that's a very confident shout. That's confirmed by the umpires. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. That was fantastic piece of bowling. Turned away for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. That's in the air. Oh, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Couldn't time that well as you'd have liked. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well, that's close. The bowler thinks he's out. And the deadly finger goes up. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. That's high in the air. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most batsmen in the world. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good shot for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Straight through, fantastic bowling. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. He didn't get any timing on that one. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot for a single. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Excellent running between the wickets. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up beautifully bowled, and the batsman has to go. Batsman losing his concentration there. Turned away for a single. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most batsmen in the world. Last ball coming up. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. End of the first inning, won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.